Video, we'll talk about why an empty array double equal sign false gives us true. We'll also be looking at the loose and strict equality in JavaScript. So the loose is the double equal sign and the strict is the triple equal sign. So let's have a look at what an empty array double equal false give us. So that actually gives us true because in this one it's a loose equality. So what that means is that first JavaScript compares an array with false, which is a Boolean. Now, these types are different because array is different to a Boolean. So loose equality allows conversion. In step A, the conversion happens for the Boolean, so the value false is converted to the number 0. And then in step B, the array is being converted. So the empty array is converted to a string. So an empty array becomes an empty string because it doesn't have anything in it. Now that empty string is also then further converted to a number, which is 0, because empty string is also the value equivalent to 0. So the final comparison is that now JavaScript will compare the values 0 and 0. And because 0 is actually equal to 0, we get true. With strict equality, though, the first JavaScript, what it does is it compares type and value immediately. And it sees that the array is not the same as a Boolean, so there's no conversion happening at all, giving us the value of false, because the triple equal sign is a strict equality. So it's applying stricter rules, no conversion. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.